Good morning, David. My name is Bree from Northland Marketing. How are you doing today? I spoke with you yesterday, and as promised, here is your analysis. I wanted to get on here real quick to go through some of your competitors in the area, do website audits, and show you personally what you would need to get your website ranking in the top 3 on Google. I'm going to jump in and start going through what we see and where we think you would get the most value. I'm going to mainly be going over 3 things we would do with your website to really bring value to your company and start outranking your competitors online. If we go to the Google search for a roofing company in Riverdale Park, Maryland, we can see that these people are running Google Ads. Okay, this is called the Map Pack, and the top 3 listed in here are the ones that receive a lot of the work because they're listed right away and they're super easy to find. These are called the organics, and the same thing for these. You want to be at least in the top 3 because there's a lot of people that are going to find you, right? Let's take a look at this first company here, Precision Restorations. Okay. We can actually see that it's a location page. It isn't their home page, which is ranking. However, we can see that there's a lot of content, right? Now, you want to have 1,500 words on your home page. Google likes to see that you have enough content, right? And they also want to see keywords. So words that people are searching for, such as Maryland residential roofing, these are the type of words that you're going to want to have in your content. That way Google is going to be able to find you when people are searching those words. Okay. This is a paid program I use to research websites called Ahrefs. I went ahead and put their website into here so we can see what we're up against. The second thing I want to go over is UR and DR ratings. A DR rating is a trust rating, meaning how much Google trusts your website. A UR rating shows how powerful your website is in the eyes of Google. These are generally raised by backlinks. We can see they have 310 good backlinks, and these are the powerful ones. They have 23 powerful backlinks. And these are links that point back to your website. So if a blog website had written an article about roofing contractors and listed them as one company they recommended, it became one backlink, okay? I want to call attention to the organic keywords. These are search terms that they're showing up for. Okay, now I'm going to show you some of the words that you could be searching for. Roof Solutions Maryland, there's 10 people searching for that. Maryland roofing contractors, there's another 30 people searching for that. Gaithersburg roofing, there's another 10 people searching for that. Roofing repair contractor, Rockville, Maryland, there's another 40 people searching for that. All right, same thing in Rockville, Maryland, another 40 people searching for that. Roof repair Rockville, another 30 people. Roofing contractor Maryland, 250 people searching for that. Roof repair Maryland, 150 people searching for that. Roofing company in Maryland, 150 people searching. Maryland roofing, 80 people searching, right? There's some really great keywords out there that we could get you ranking for. This will drive a ton of people to your website, in turn, landing you a lot of clients. Now, in this video, we went over how we would get your website onto the front page of Google. 1, through content and keywords and how your front page would need at least 1,500 words. 2, UR and DR ratings and how we would get those numbers up pretty high with backlinks. 3, backlinks, what your competition has for them and how we beat them out by showing Google you have more authority. And if we implemented these strategies, you could be on the front page of Google. And I wanted to go ahead and shoot this video for you guys. If you've liked what you've seen here today, you can email me back or give me a phone call, and we can continue to look further into what you would need to get ranking to the top. I hope this was helpful for you, and I look forward to hearing your feedback. Have a great day.